Hi guys, Adam from Tentworld at Tweed Heads. Now, after you've enjoyed the warmth that the Hotspot technology offers in your new red belly chair, we need to show you how to reset your pouches so you can go from this crystal used form, which you'll get about 500 odd uses out of, back into the liquid gel form so it can be used again. So what we need to do is grab our used pouch, and there was a little black protective bag would have been in your carton when you got your chair out. So what we need to do is put this back in here, just like so. Pull the drawstring so it's nice and tight. Now I've got a pot of water here on the boil already. What we need to do is bring this thing up to the boil and then leave it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now what that's going to do is melt all the crystals back down to a solution form, so that that pouch can then be used again for a hot or a cold pouch. Now you will need to leave it cool for a while before you can use it again. So just leave it out on the bench or the table and let that get down to a normal room sort of temperature, and once it's done that, then you'll be able to use your pouch again. And you, as I said, you will get many uses out of that pouch, and it'll provide that heat for up to an hour. If you don't want to use that pouch for a heat pouch, you can use it for a cold pouch as well, but you need to remember, don't put it in the freezer, just put it in the refrigerator, and it will take that temperature and give you a nice cold pack, which could be nice and refreshing in summer, or good for relieving some of those muscular aches and pains. So we're going to leave this boil away for the next 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll come back when it's done, pull them out and show you what's happened to that pouch. Okay, so that's been 3 to 5 minutes, so we'll pull this pouch out. Now you should really have some tongs or something there to pick them out of the water with, because that's going to be quite warm. And there we have it. So now we're ready to go again. We just need to let that cool down so it's back to like a room temperature, which is what we've done with this one earlier. And you can see we've got our nice solution is there, ready for use again, so we can use that Hotspot technology over and over again for up to 500 cycles. And that's how you reset your Hotspot pouches from Oztent. Happy camping!